See, one by one we will discuss what is analyze menu. First, as you know that what is analyze menu, a little bit we discussed in the last day. So I will show you that what is analyze menu. For example, take see this is analyze menu. This is a main watch what we can do more analysis by using this analyze menu only. So within analyze we can get some reports, okay, and descriptive statistics, tables, and compare the means, general linear model, and general linear models and mixed models, correlation, regression, there is a log linear regression model, okay, and uh, or the neutral or yeah neural networks, causality, dimension, scale variables. So we can use non-parametric test and forecasting. How we can do some forecasting by using some variable data and survivals and multiple responses and missing value analysis. Nothing when you are missing some numbers. So that is we can do some analysis also by using that one and multiple imputations, complex samples, and quality control and ROC course. So mainly we can use within the this 20 or 25 main test. So we can use in our syllabus as per only 5 or 6. That is the first we can use the reports and descriptive statistics and tables and compare means, and we can use the correlation regression. So it is enough for the graduate level. Okay. So we can use this by one. We'll discuss. And variable and data view. As you know that how we can what is variable one, what is data view, and dialog boxes and source and target variables and frequency procedures. How we can do some frequency procedures, we can do one by one. The first one is the reset open files. See how we can, as I told you that how we can open the files also, how we can save the files also, I will show you. So that is the saving and opening files. For example, if you want to sort out the data, for example, how we can sort out the data, for example, when you have the data, so as per the names, if you want, you can do it. So as per the data, see here, data option is there, you can sort out the data sort cases. For example, I'm going to show you that. For example, what are the data is there. For example, you have taken this data. So here there is a data is there, option is there in the menu bar. See your data. So if you find out the sort out cases, so if you click it, so you can, it gives that sort of data gender wise or age wise. See, for example, if I say gender wise, so gender wise, for example, if you take into account, first it will comes gender values. See, one, then so here easily you can understand how many members are there, 25 and remain 26 to and up to 50, there's are two females. For example, if you sort out the data like this, you can take it to consider. For example, how we can sort out this data, why? Because see, when you collect information from the two mandals, for example, if you take this is a mandal, instead of gender you can use mandal 1, mandal 2, or if you take Hyderabad and Secunderabad, if you collect information from the Hyderabad and Secunderabad area, so one for Secunderabad, two for Hyderabad. So it means that one for Hyderabad, nothing but this data is related to up to the 25 sample households are related to the Secunderabad area. So from here to here, there is a Hyderabad area. So that's why you can sort out the variables like that. So as per your requirement, you can sort out the data. See, as you know that how we can sort out the data. For example, double click on the number of student. For example, if you take the number of student, we can take into consider. So it depends on the interest. For example, if you may take gender or you may take another variable name also. See, the next one is the transforming the data. How we can transform the data. That thing, but see, compute the variables. Simple, you can see that. For example, if you want to know that how we can compute the variables, I'm going to show the how we can transform the data. For example, as we have taken, see, for example, marks. For example, if you take this is a marks, and I'm going to show you that copy, and I'm going to paste it in the right side. Click. See here, for example, if you take this, I'm going to change the name. The marks in PS, and here marks in echo, marks in echo. So if it is not clear, I should write here label here marks in PS and marks in economics. Okay, so how we can use a transform the variable? This is one of the important in a data analysis. You can go to the transform menu bar, so you can compute the variables. Simple, you can compute the variables. Click it. Then you will come to know that what is the target variable, nothing but if you want to club the both marks. For example, if you take into account political science, economics and history marks, like that you can combine. So you can take that uh, PS and echo marks, for example. See, if you click it, then here, then you can write the target variable name, or you can say both marks. Simple. Then you need to here click that marks in political science. Click it here. You need to add that marks in political science. Click, and you can put this arrow mark. You can click it. Then here we should have to add that. So meanwhile, you can give the here the symbol is there, plus symbol. You can put symbol. Then you can click on economic marks. Then you can click it. Then if you click OK, it will add it. See, its output shows that there is a window, and you can see both marks. See, if you add the 90 and 90, what is the total marks? 180. For example, 98, 82, 82 and 82, 164, 45 and 45, 90 marks. Like that, we can add the marks. Okay. So, for example, if you these are both marks, for example, if you are the marks of, for example, out of 200, you got 180 marks. For example, in history marks, you may have that. For example, if you consider the, if you want to delete some variables, how we can subtract and how we can add it. So at the same time, you can go to transform variable. You can compute that. Simple. You can write that name. That is only economics. Okay. So what you should have to do? Simple. So you need to back so here, then you can click the both marks. There is a total marks minus, here minus is there, minus, then political science, then you will get the total marks minus political science, you will get the only economics marks. So click the OK, then you will get, click on OK. Then see here variable name contains an illegal character. Why? See here I have given only economics. See, I have mentioned the space here. That's why it gives that contains illegal character. Then see, if I am not maintain the gap, nothing but if I am not given a space, see if I click, automatically it will come. See, only economics marks. See, you can see marks in economics and only marks. Same marks. See, 82 and 90. Like that we can do it. See, for example, if you take into consider your expenditure, for example, your family expenditure, for example, food and non-food items. So how you can add food items plus non-food items? That is called your total expenditure. How much you are spending for food and how much you are spending for non-food items. So that you can add it, and you can subtract, and you can multiply also. See, there are some options also there in computing variable. See, there is a greater than, less than. You can give the variables and less than or equal, and also you can multiplication, divide. You can divide the marks also, for example. So there are some options also there. And here, if you want to do some function form, you will get all arithmetic, and here you can convert the variables, for example. For example, if you want to know that, you can convert the data in the log forms. How you can convert the data in the log forms? For example, these are economics marks. I would like to convert the into log forms. See, go to compute the variables. Simple. It is a log log economics, log echo. So simple. This is the existing already, we need to remove. Then click OK. Then here I need to go the all, or you can put it here. There is one option is there, statistical. Simple. In the statistical, they will mention that maximum minimum also will be there, and here we should have to get log 1. See, log base 10. For example, I would like to take log base 10 or natural logarithm. Nothing but the natural logarithm. So if you want to put log log, I enter the log form. That is I have taken log 10. If I click it, see what will happen. Log 10. So here there is a question mark. Which variable would you like to enter? So here log variable log 10 log echo. Sorry. So here only I should have to enter the only echo. Then I can put this click. I can click this. See here automatically gives log 10 only economics. Then if I click on OK, see then automatically the data will convert to the log form. 90 value of log 90 value is 1.98. So if you have any doubt, you can I will show you that. For example, in your mobile, you can open calculator. You can open calculator. So in the calculator, you may have some different values. See here, LG nothing but log form. Okay, if you click log, then you can enter the data. What is the 90? Okay, open the bracket. Then how much you got it? I think it is showing that. See, when you log is equal 90, log 90 value is equal 1.95. So here also same, log is equal 1.95. So like that, you can try and you can get it. For example, if you want to convert the data into natural logarithm, see, go to try compute the variable, then you can type ln natural logarithm. The base value is different, and then you can click it that log value. Then I should have to remove the earlier. See, so we should have to convert the economics values in the natural logarithm values. Simple here. Ln is equal question mark. So simple, I put out to convert. You can convert only. We should have to enter the result values only here. See, log only economics. Then if I click OK, then see that what will happen. Natural logarithm value is 4.56. Base value is more or less 6. So that's why this value is more. So log value is base 10, and here see how we can get that natural logarithm. See in the calculator also. See, if you enter the ln, that is natural logarithm. So there is a 90. Then how much you got? 4.4999. So it is considered the 4.50. For example, if there is a 4.50, do you think that is wrong? It is not a wrong. So if you want to know that what is the exact value, you can go to variable view and you can change that decimals 3 or 4. See, 4.4998. See here also 4.998. So it depends on the consider decimals. So like that we can compute the variable. So here there are different recode the same variables in the different categories, and recode into different variables also we can give. For example, what is a recode into same variable? See, for example, here we should have to give the recode the variables. For example, if you take that marks economics, okay, only economics, I'm going to change. See, 1 and 2 values. We should have to give the new value, old value and new value, and we should have to give the range. For example, see, 1. So I should have to give the 1 here, then add it. Okay, sorry. So yeah, recording the same. For example, if you convert the data, the same variable convert to the codes. So we should have to recode into different variables. So that I would like to go economics variable. Okay, then new name economics variable 1, and I would like to change the values. Value 1. See here, new value 1. It means that what is the lowest value marks? For example, 45. So I have it. 1 is nothing but 45. Then if I give the 2, then here I would like to remain the range. For example, 46 to here the highest value. 36. Sorry, I'm wrong. Sorry, something is wrong. It is not. We should have to get the range also here. Yeah, 45. Got it. Now it is not coming. It is happening. Yeah, so one should have to be the range. Simply continue. See here, marks 3. 3 is nothing but how much marks is there? More than 3, 30, 65. So here more 3 is nothing but here we'll get 82. So 1 is nothing but below 45. So 2 is nothing but the 45 to 55, 65 range. So there is a 60 marks is nothing but. For example, if you want to know that how many marks in the categories, you can go to analyze and descriptive statistic frequency. You will get it. Simple. The marks. See, 1 is nothing but less than 45 to 3. So what is 1, 1 and 2? I know that we need to give that variables view. So in the economics, we should have to give the values. That is 1, 1 for less than 45, then 2 for 45 to 65, then 3 above 65, right? Then you can add it, then click it. Then automatically it will come see that after analyzing the data. See, earlier we got 1 to 3 because we have not given the what is 1, what is 2. So after giving that 1 and 2, see less than 45, how many members are there? 6 students. So 45 marks from 45 to 65, there are 20 students. So above 65, how many students have got? 24 students. So this is we can do by using this transform the variables. There is a recode into different variables. So when you record into the same variable, then what are the variable is there? It can be automatically recode it. So that is the one thing we can use this kind of two things. And insert we can insert the titles on something. So main thing is the next analyze menu. Then see here how we can analyze the compute the variables. Yeah. Then the frequency, there is a descriptive statistic, then frequency. See how we can do the frequency also. Last day we can come to know that, and now also we can once we can do those who are not attend the last class. See how we can do the frequencies. So simple, go to descriptive statistic, then go to frequencies. So here this is the variable view. This is the variables. What type of variable would you like to do frequency tables? Simple, you can enter what are the gender. If you need age, you can click. For example, if you want only gender, you can click only one variable and you can click here this arrow mark, then it will comes in this here. Then if you want something about statistics, you can do it. So for example, if you want a quartile deviation, mean, mode, median, if you want, you can click, or else simple you can don't click it. So click on OK, then you will get it. The gender of the response, how many males and how many females are there, we will come to know that. Which percentage and wild percentage and cumulative percentage also we will get it. Then for example, if you want more variables, frequency distribution. So see here you can select gender and you can click the control button, then age, and you can select marks like this, age statement like this. If you want to select different types of variables, You can select and you can click it. Automatically, what are the selected variables are there, you will come, the variables comes into this dialog box. So then click OK. See here, gender is respond, the gender table is there, and age responded, and age too, that is below 18 and 18 to 20, above 20 years, how many people are there. Then statement, disagree, strongly disagree, disagree, not decided, agree, strongly agree, and total. So this kind of frequency test table, we can get it by using data analysis menu bar. Have you understood, or if you have any doubt, you can ask me now. Yes, if you have any doubt. Okay. For example, if you want to know the chart, bar chart, okay, then you will get into charts also. See the next one, next. See, for example, if you want to know the gender of the variable, chart diagram, see here you can go to the analyze, then go to descriptive frequency table, then you will select concern variable, for example gender. So select gender variable, then if you want to take chart, you can click chart button. Then which type of diagram you need, for example bar diagram, bar chart, or pie chart, or histogram. So which one you can, which one do you want, you can select that one only. But if you want bar chart, simple, go to click, then click on, see bar diagram, respond, male and female are equal, because that's why it shows. For example, if you want to know that another variable, age, you can go to the pie chart. For example, if you take into account pie chart, you get it. See pie chart. For example, you can understand that how many people in this range, or how many people of this range, how many are there. See here below 18, this is the below 18 people, this percentage, and here we are not able to get the percentage. How we can find out the percentage? Here also option is there. Here the script statistic, frequency table, and chart. See here we can see the percentage. See the different graph. See the percentage below 18, how much percentage is 34%, and here below 18 to 20 years, how much, 32%, and above 20 years 34%. Okay, and if you need some other charts, you can take histogram. So you can take histogram, and this is histogram. So for histogram and other graph which we have done, see there is small difference between these two things. That is see bar chart and histogram. In histogram, they may not mention the space between the two items. See here the gender, male and female. But whereas here, if you take here, just a minute. See here, they cannot mention the gap between these two variables, 1 and 2, male and female. Okay, so that is histogram, which will shows that the bar chart and histogram. So, for example, if you want to know that charts about the marks, okay, economics marks, for example, so you may use a different type of mark. If I bar diagram, if you want frequencies, you can do frequencies. See, this is the normal table, and this is the frequency table, marks in economics. See here, by you looking at easily we can understand. See 45 marks, how many students I got? 6 students. And 54 marks, how many students I got? Only 1. So 55 students, how many? 6 students. For 56, only 1 student. So here 60 students, 16 months. How many students I got? 11 students. 11 students. So most of the students have got 60 marks. You can see by looking at the graph easily. On average, 6 members have received. They got different types of marks. So 6 students have got 45, 6 students have got 55, 6 students have 82, 85, 90, 98. So this is the how we can use different charts. I think have you understood this concept, Naresh and Raju?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Okay. The frequency tables as is showing you that this is a syntax. No need now. At a graduate level, it will take more risk. For example, when you do some mistake, little bit mistake, commas and full stop, some is equal some variables name also, it will not consider. It will not give the results. It may simply give that the particular variable contains illegal characteristics. So it will won't give, or don't follow the syntax. Simply you can go to the particular menus. So when you are perfect only, you can use it. So I'm also not perfect in this particular syntax. Then descriptive statistics. So for the what is the descriptive statistics? As we discussed earlier, also we do the descriptive statistics. We go to analyze main bar, then go to descriptive statistics. Within the descriptive, there's the frequency and descriptives. Then you can click the descriptives. Then if you want to know that what is the marks, for example, what is the average marks of the economics students? So if you take economics, only economics students, say, or you can go to options. For example, if you want to know average marks and what is the minimum and maximum marks, if you want to know standard deviation, okay, if you want to know range, you will get it. And if you don't need a calculation of total marks, and if you want to know curtacies and skewness, you will click on this variable view, then click continue, then here click okay. See, it will use the descriptive statistics table. See, only variable in n is nothing but sample size 50, range is how is 53. So what is the minimum mass in economics? 45, maximum is 98. So range calculation will be maximum minus minimum. 98 minus 45 will get 53. There is a range. Then what is the average marks? 71.21 marks. 97.21 marks in the economic and average. That is the sum of values by number of observations. Nothing but when you had all the 15 students total marks by 50, so you will get 71.21. Then if you calculate the standard deviation, you will get 18.06. How much is deviating from the mean value? Nothing but each marks are deviating. Each marks is deviating from the mean, that is 18.06. So you see here, average marks is 71, highest is 98, lowest is 45. When you do some standard deviation from the mean, so that is the 18.06. That is the standard deviation. This is skewness and curtacies. So this is the we can understand by graph only easily. By values we cannot understand easily because we are a starting level. You cannot understand. This is the standard. For example, if you want to know about other standard mean, mode, median, standard deviation, correlate. These are the standard deviation concepts which are available in this option. See, mean is a standard descriptive statistics. Some of the descriptive statistics. Standard deviation comes under descriptive statistics. Variance also comes under descriptive statistics, and standard error of the mean also comes under the descriptive statistics. These are the 8 are the under the descriptive statistics. Simple, you can go, you will get that values. There's a variance, and there is a standard error of the mean. Where it is standard error of the mean? I think. See here, this is standard error value. Standard error is 2.55. That is standard of the mean value. So these are the comes under the standard descriptive statistics. For example, earlier when you have the data age 15. So how you can calculate the mean, median, mode, how much time will take, and average if you calculate mean, median, mode, okay, and if you want to calculate about standard deviation, standard error, variation, it will take 1 hour to 2 hours. 1 to 2 hours it will take time. But within the fraction of seconds, you will get the data by using SPS software. Simply, I'm going to show age, go to analyze menu, then go to descriptive, then go to descriptive, then look at the particular variable view, that is the age, then click on, then we will click option, then all the variables will come. See, the age is collected from 50 members, the range is 4, and the minimum age is 18, maximum age is 22 in the particular class in the sense BA second year, for example. So the sum of the age is nothing but 994. Total age of the students 994 divided by 50, you will get average value, that is a 19.88. And average each student age is 19.8. Their error is 0.16 and the standard deviation is 1.17. Nothing but this is 1.17, and average 1 year is deviating from the average value. This is 19.88. So and average all the observations are deviating from the mean value, and variance is 1.33. 1.33. 1.33. Just a minute. That is descriptive statistic. So as you know that if you click like this only, options are allowed to analyze the descriptive statistics and your mean and standard deviation. Click variation curtacies. Finally, click on continue. Okay, as I told you. Here we can see all those things. Here the descriptive procedures display the univariate summary of statistics for several variables in a single table. See here, single table you will get it more variables. For example, see how we can get about all the variables of mean, mode, median. See, you can go to analyze, go to descriptive statistics, select all the variables which you need it. For example, if you take into account marks in political science, economics, and both marks if you take into account, okay, you will select 4 variables, you will get options. All this will click on okay, then you will get it. See here, variable name, age, marks in political science, marks in economics, marks, both marks, economics and political science. See here the range. See here, range, minimum and maximum marks and sum of the variables. See each and everything within the single table, we'll get all the descriptive statistics of the variables within the single table only. So if you want to calculate about individually manually, you will get you will take time 1 to 2 hours for each variable. So within the fraction of second, you will get that more number of variables. For example, if you have the 1000 number of variables, you will get it in the fraction of seconds. So that's the why we can use a SPSS software for data analysis. And so cross tabulation, as we go, we can come to know that what is the cross tabulation thing, but we can come to know that how we can do cross tabulation. Go to analyze, then go to descriptive statistics. Within the descriptive, there is a cross tabulation. So for example, if you want to know that marks, okay, marks, like marks in economics, if you take rows, columns, so if you take gender row and marks column wise, so as you wish you can take into consider. Then see marks only economic marks, see male and female, how many people are got only male people, I got 45 marks in, and in the second one 54 marks got by the male, and here 6 marks, 6 people, 6 girls are got 55 marks, and one girl one girl has got 56 marks, and here six girls sorry, 6 boys and 5 girls I've got 16 marks. Like this, you will get it. For example, if you want to know these rows and columns, for example, if you want male, female, like this column wise, if you marks is row wise, so you can change that cross tabs. Simple, you can convert it. See, I will interchange that. So then gone. So here you can add gender of the respondent, male and female. See, marks 45. How many male students have got? 6 out of 1. There is only 1 from boy, and out of 6, 6 from girls only. See here 11 students who got 60 marks. So 5 from female and 6 from male. Like that, you will get the cross tabulation. Cross tabulation. For example, if you want to combine the 3 or more variables, also you will consider. See, for example, rotate. Go to analyze cross tabs. Then if you take descriptive gender of the respondent, and if you take age wise also, for example, and click on it. See, for example, if you want to know that age wise, see how many people have got. For example, there are 6 members who got 45 marks. If you want to know within the 6, as per their age wise, for example, from each group there are 2 people have got. For example, here say 1 who got 54 marks, they are belongs to about 20 years. For example, here 11 students who got 60 marks. So 4 from below 18 years, 3 from 18 to 20 years, 4 from above 20 years. This is called, we can get that cross tabulation for age wise and gender wise. Okay. So simultaneously we got only two tables. See, that is the thing that we will come to know that. I think the ratios and p plots are not important for you. That for the after PG only you can come to know what is the main importance of p plots and qq plots. If you have any doubt up to now, let me know that. Then after this class, after in the evening, we'll come to the how we can measure the association. Nothing but correlation and regression. So that is a chi-square test and other things also will come to know that. So if you have any doubt, you can come to know that. Yes, please.
No, sir.
So in the evening, we will come to know that this is the last class I'm going to take. So there's a correlation, okay, and a test, t-test, how we can test whether the hypothesis is reject or accept. And we have the regression also. We'll do the regression. Okay. So I will complete today by evening.
Okay, sir.
So we have the only correlation, regression, and test in our syllabus. So we'll complete by today. So thank you for attending class. Okay, shall I close the session?
Okay, sir.
Thank you. In the evening, I will take the class.
Okay.